Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. Oh, got something on the lens, like I always do. Out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club, going to take up the HSD Jets Cessna 182. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right, take her on down here, get a range test in. I haven't flown this plane in a hot minute. Let's see how she does. Shouldn't have any problem. I'm running an AR 620 and 10-less receiver. Where's my square at? There's my square. Okay, so go down here to range test. Maybe today you can see it. You go down on your function list, go down to range test, be 90 feet away, and look for movement. Yeah, we're in good shape. All right. All right, show you typical tricycle gear. So good ground handling. I want to say it's a 78-inch wingspan, if I remember correctly. I'm actually not too sure. All right, we're going to take off. Just want to show you how well she taxis. We're going to take off left to right, or actually right to left, because that's the way the wind kind of sort of going. All right, don't need takeoff flaps. All right.
Time remaining 6 minutes. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Like I say, she's a Cessna, so she's not necessarily supposed to be an aerobatic plane. I mean, she'll do rolls and do a knife edge there. So, actually that was a loop, wasn't it? There's more of a roll. The thing about this plane though, when you go to land her, she carries so much momentum. Yeah, I got way too much momentum there.
Flaps up.
Let's try that again.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
We'll try that again. All right. And she's big enough in the air
Landing flaps.
to where you can really see her well. All right, remember, landing is more about your throttle than anything else. That's actually your main control. All right.
Flaps up.
And this plane is plenty strong, plenty powerful enough to get up out of that grass with no problem. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a no flap landing this time. But like I say, yeah, she's big, she carries a lot of momentum. But still, let's say your flaps weren't working and you're almost out of battery and you got to land. So this is one of the few planes that I will dead stick in. Well, I say I'll dead stick here. I'm almost dead stick, almost down to maybe just enough to keep the prop moving. That's really what I should have said. All right. And when you, like I've always said, if you haven't flown a plane in a while, Just do your practice takeoffs and landings, takeoffs and landings. That's the number one skill you need to
Landing flaps.
have anyways. There we go. She's got suspension in both the mains and the front landing gear.
Flaps up.
So we'll do takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
All right. There we go. All right, let's do one more takeoff, this time this from left to right.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
All right, we're awfully high, but landing flaps are fully deployed. We'll do a nice slow flyby.
Flaps up.
I really got to work a mix in. I don't have a mix set in there yet for the landing flaps versus the elevator. All right. Oh yeah.
Landing flaps.
Oh yeah. That's perfect. All right. We'll do one more and then we'll call it quits for this plane today.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Oh yeah. That's wonderful. All right. Let me show you the configuration. Let's get off the runway. All right, what do you want to hear before you ever touch a plane?
Motor off.
Motor off. You can see the dust on the cowl there. That shows you how long it's been since I've flown this plane. Number one, we got 4 pilots in there. They've all thrown up. You have to have a little 2-cell. I got a 2-cell 3300 that runs the multi-function box, which is underneath. It runs the lights, all your control surfaces, and your receiver. The main EC5 connector strictly runs the motor and the ESC. So that way you're able to get, I mean, yes, I know I flew for 3 or 4 minutes, but I can get 10 minutes of flying out of this plane with that configuration. And also, there's hardly any draw on that 2-cell. I can fly 3 or 4 times before it even gets down to 50%. So, well, folks, there you go. That is the HSD Cessna 182. All right, it's a beautiful bird, great flying bird. I got it from Bitco Hobby, and like I said, Bitco Hobby, I really have good experience with them. They've been very good to me, and I like their product. Why they're their distributor, they don't actually make it. But all right, folks, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.